Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So today I'll be showing you what all I received in my January's FAB bag. So the bag that came in for January subscription was this. It's an okay bag. I'm not really fond of it. I don't like metallic pouches, but it's fine. At least I got a pouch to keep my makeup stuff in it. And the products that I got for January were so the very first thing that I got was this Palmolive Skin Therapy Facial Bar. It has vitamin C and E in it, and this one retails for, like, the actual price is for 55 rupees. So this is what it looks like. This claims to have like vitamin C and E in it, and I have not used it obviously. I just received it. This is what it looks like. I'm really afraid to try anything on my face because bars usually just can dry out your skin very much. So yeah, so the next product that I received was from this brand called W2 Ivory Peach Moisturizer. This is the full size and this retails for 220 rupees, and this is what it looks like. I have still not opened it yet, and this is what it actually looks like. And this has a pump dispenser, and I'll just show the texture. So this is somewhere between a cream and a lotion. I think this is meant to use on face, I believe. I'm not too sure because the quantity is very less, so I think it's going to it's meant for face. Yeah, it says it's natural radiance, it is oil balancing, it removes dark circles and spots. That's a very huge claim, but I've already used this in the past. I guess I got this around 3 to 4 years back, and this did nothing for my face, but I'll give it a try once again and see if it really works because the claims are quite tall. And the most excited product that I received in this month's FAB bag was the newly launched Sugar Cosmetics Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact, and I got it in the shade Cappuccino, shade number 15. As always, their outer packaging is really nice. I like it, and the actual packaging is this. It comes in a matte black case, and once you open it, this is what the shade looks like. I don't think this shade is suitable for my skin tone. I would have preferred to go for shade number 30, but still I got it for free, so I don't really mind it. So this is the packaging. This is where the actual compact is, and when you open it, there is this sponge that you get along. The sponge is quite stiff. I'll be doing a separate video on this product to see if it really stands tall by its claims. So this is also full size and it retails for 499 rupees. And the next product that I received is the Bio Bloom Lip Balm. It is in the mint flavor, and it is again a full size product, and it retails for 140 rupees. This is what it looks like. Again, this came in sealed, but I opened it just to save time. I normally hate minty flavors, but I don't know, this is nice. And then the last product that I received was from the brand called the Nature's Co, and it is the Kelp Aqua Spark Sea Bath Salt, and it is for 400 rupees for 100 grams. Yeah, I think this is 100 grams product. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a bath salt, and I was looking for it. Like, I wanted to purchase one since quite long time because you know, these can be used as for pedicure as well. Like, you just put warm water in a bucket and just put some salt in it, and you can just soak your feet inside for 15-20 minutes and you're all set to go. And then I received this product as well. This is not a full size, this is a sample size product, and it is from the brand called Hip Hop, and it is the It is the instant nail polish remover wipes, and it is for 10 rupees, and it comes in this pack with just 2 wipes. So I'll obviously not be using this because I'll keep this for emergencies, like when I'm traveling or something like that, because it just had 2 wipes in it. So along with this, I also received a 10% discount code. Like if I have to like renew my subscription, then I can redeem the discount. And that's it. That's all I received for this January's FAB bag. I'm quite pleased with the products because I get a lot of products, and I think I'll be renewing the subscription as well. So yeah, so that was all for my video today, and I hope you liked it, and please do hit that subscribe button for more such videos. Till my next video, bye.